Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you click that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be a paycheck to paycheck budget with me, and I am going to be setting up the very first week in June. If you have not seen my planner before, this is my planner, and I'm going to flip to the budget section of it. I am going to do a full flip through of this planner because I have switched some things around for the mid-year. Like every 3 months or so, I always kind of switch things up in my planner. So I'm definitely going to show y'all a flip through probably later on this week. But for now, we are doing our first week in June. If you did not see my monthly spread, I will link it above. You may want to watch that before you get to this one so that you kind of know what's going on. Looking at the first week of June, I have decided to start pulling out kits again. I had just missed them so much, and so I have this super old kit that is from Sweet Bean Plans, and I wanted to use it for this spread. I think these are very, very pretty. I'm probably not gonna use the weekly day stickers because this is actually designed for an Erin Condren, but I'm just using it in my Happy Planner. I just have a lot of Erin Condren stickers because at the time when I was purchasing a bunch of stickers, I actually was an Erin Condren girl. But doesn't matter, I'm still going to make them work in this planner. So we're going to be using this kit from Sweet Bean Plans, and then of course you know I'm going to use my half sheet in order to set up my budget. So I usually put up my preliminary budget on here, and then as the week goes on and as I pay things, I will jot them down here. At the end of the week on every Saturday, I always do a budget review, so I will come back and do that budget review on camera with you guys. So if you didn't know, I kind of divided up my categories differently for this particular month. I divided them up into 4 sections. First section is home, second section is travel, the third one is my debt, and personal and family, which family is kind of like first, and then home, then travel, and then debt. So I'm going to be using those same categories to set up my weekly spread, and I'm going to be using this half sheet in order to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me explain what I've done here. As far as my weekly budget, you know, I keep it on a half sheet, and I keep that sheet within my planner. But I just started dividing it up into 4 different categories, and my categories are personal, travel, debt, and home. mainly everything kind of falls under personal unless it's like a main bill that's associated with the house or with the car, or it's some debt that we have to pay off. And so this week we have guaranteed income of about $2,200. So I did my first budget based on the guaranteed amount that we have coming in, and I broke it down into personal, which is going to be our tithe. I have something that I have to take care of at the bank, and so it's a fee that we have to take care of. My savings, food, cash, money for me and my husband, health insurance, and our dental insurance. So that is our largest total, which is like $1,400. Our travel is our car insurance and our gas for 2 cars, and so that's the $490. And then we have debt that we are paying off, which we have 2 credit cards that we are currently paying off. So that's going to be $150 each on those, which is a total of $300. So of that $2,200, we have miscellaneous like $6, and so that will cover that entire amount. But we also have additional income coming in this week. I am not 100% sure what that check will be. So I have a preliminary budget of $500, just trying to kind of just plan out what we will do if the check is $500. So if it is $500, then of course we will do our tithe of $50, and then I'm planning on putting some money back into my sticker shop, $50, $30 for the girls' hair, and then $125 will go into savings. And then for our debt, I will put $90 on a credit card and $155 toward my student loans, and then that will total up the $500. Like I said, this stuff is kind of just, if it happens, that would be wonderful. If the check is $500, this is what I will do. If it is more, then I will just adjust my numbers, but at least I have kind of like a plan in place if the check comes in and it's that amount, and I kind of know what I'm going to do with it. The bad thing is when you have money come in and you don't know what you're going to do with it, then automatically you end up spending it. So now that we have finished this half sheet, I am going to now decorate my full spread. I divided up into 3 categories. The first category is income and savings. Then it's going to be my bills, and basically that's everything that is on this sheet. That as soon as I pay it, I will mark it down in this section. And then the last set of boxes will be for my expenses, and my expenses are basically anything that kind of comes up during the week that I did not plan for, but it's something that I have to take care of, or it's money that I spend out of my cash. So you see how I have $80 here. If I spend any of this, then I will kind of jot down what I spent it on, just so I can kind of keep track of my categories. So let's go ahead and decorate this sheet. Okay, so this is the final spread, and I cannot lie, I really love how this came out. It is so incredibly cute. Oh, let me put my headers. Okay, love how this came out. Basically, it's separated. This is income, savings, bills, and expenses. I have decorated the entire spread because I realized even in my past months, I have never like used all of the space within these boxes. So I wanted to give myself a little bit of decorating space, and I really love this, and I really do feel like I will still be able to fit all of my expenses, bills, and everything within the space that I have left. On my sheet, I've already showed you the budget sheet. This is gonna be my weekly spending sheet. This cash, this is actually like a spending tracker that can go on the back of an envelope. I sell it in my shop, but I decided to use it within my planner this week and be able to also jot down my expenses. As I jotted down here, but I also wanted another spot where I can kind of put it really quickly if I need to. So it's just kind of another space so that I can have it in 2 spots. And I really like how this came out, so I want to see how I'm able to use this upcoming week. And if it goes well, then I will continue to use it. So I'm gonna put that in there and this in here. And this will be my budget for this upcoming week, my paycheck to paycheck budget. Love, love, love how this spread came out. I am definitely considering adding more decorative stickers to my shop, especially looking at this. Sweet Bean Plants did an amazing job on this kit, and I believe I want to start adding some really cute kits so that I can do more like this in the future. Okay. So that is it for this budget with me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see, I still have plenty of stickers left. I think I only used up the little icons. I used all the washi tape. I used all the full boxes. But I still have a couple of other things here. And that's mainly because this was from Erin Condren, and like I said, it has the today stickers. It has other habit trackers and stuff like that, and I did not need any of that because this is a budget spread. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, make sure that you thumbs up this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.